in my culture, we believe that every time you speak someone's name, every time you call their name, right, you're speaking and invoking the power of that name into existence. So if there's anything you would like to manifest into your own life or into your child's life, or anything you want to speak into their life, that name is kind of like a built-in way of doing it, right? So let me know, and that's a great thing to take advantage of. Obviously, you know, you still have to go out here and self-improve and be a great person, but it's kind of the way that our culture blesses each other, and, you know, just kind of keeps our essence and everything like that, and keeps us progressing as a people together just by our names. You get what I'm saying? So I can give you that name on my segment called the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And if you are Igbo, if you already have an Igbo name, I can feature and talk about your name on this segment here, the Igbo Name of the Day. So if you haven't already,